Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with a very popular item for a very popular video. So I don't know if you know, you should know. As of lately, the whole headband wig trend has been in full effect, and today I am going to review this headband wig from Beauty Forever and show you guys how the wig looks with the Beauty Forever head wraps that I got a while back. So I'm gonna let you guys know right now, aside from the whole headband wig thing, this hair, love it. But enough about that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so this is from Beauty Forever, so be sure to check the description box below for all the information. But of course the wig comes in this box. Of course they sent me a wig cap, a little headband thing I think, or something to tie. And then here is their headband wig. Now I will get into more details about the wig after I put it on, but I'm gonna show you guys the construction of the wig. So this wig has two combs, two long big combs, one in the front and one in the back. It is a breathable cap, and of course this black part is where you put the headband at. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I did leave a little baby hair for my hair from my natural hair. Slid back a little bit. So this is how the wig looks before I put the headbands on. So the hair is very soft, and of course I did wash it before putting it on so it doesn't look like how it looked when it was delivered to me. But I like this. This is super cute. Now before I show you guys the different headbands, I do want to tell you guys a little bit more information about this unit. Now the headbands that I'm going to be using to show you guys, I did get from Beauty Forever also, and I did do a video showing you guys how the headbands look, so I will put that in the cards and the description box below. But I never got a chance to actually show you guys how they look on my head because I knew I was getting this wig, so I decided to wait for that. So again, this wig is from Beauty Forever. This is their headband human hair water wave wig. It retails for $90.40 on Amazon. So this is the natural color. The one that I got is 16 inches and the density is 200%. I absolutely love it. But I really love, I love this curl pattern. I really do. Okay, so here are the Beauty Forever headbands that I got. So the first one that I'm gonna show you guys will be this one. So this is how this headband looks with this. Here's this headband. here's this one.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Here's this one. And then here is the last headband. So this is really cute. So this wig is really cute. The hair is soft, but I do like this whole headband wig idea. It's better than the cap hat. So I want to thank Beauty Forever for reaching out to me and asking me to review their new headband wig. This is super cute. I love the length, everything. The wave pattern is just super cute. Like, Beauty Forever always has some really good hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you in my next one.